Hello devs, my name is Gaurav and I'm going to start with a whole new tutorial series on SwiftUI from start to end. It's a very trending topic nowadays between iOS developers, so I was thinking to make this new tutorial series and we will go dive into it step by step. I guarantee you that this tutorial will be really helpful for beginners or any expert iOS developer to learn SwiftUI. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it. Share with your friends, your colleagues to learn the new Swift UI things and everything. So I really encourage you guys to share, subscribe, and like this video. So now, first of all, we will start with a very basic thing to learn about what Swift UI and I mean it's really very new for everyone because it's released in WWDC 2019 this year. So they have very basic tutorials also on their website on Apple developer website. So if you guys visit this website, then you will find basic steps and everything, that how you can start with Swift UI and everything. It's about 35-minute tutorial, but I think that visual learning will be really helpful for any developer to learn the technology really fast. So in this first video, we will just create a simple Swift UI project, and then I will guide you through the different files, which will be like how the structure is being changed for the Swift UI project. So let's start with it, and then create a new project in Xcode, single view app. Let's give it a name, Swift UI demo. That's all. We don't need a team now. Make sure that user interface is, instead of storyboard, you have selected SwiftUI. It is very required. There are three options also included: core data, unit test, and UI test. Will not check mark it for now because it's not useful. Let's go next and then create this project. Okay, so as you can see, now we have a different UI here in the editor in Xcode. This particular area is a canvas area. This one is a code area, and all the files are listed here. We have a app delegate file as usual to maintain the application lifecycle. We have a scene delegate also, which is a new file. So if we look into it, then they have mentioned, yeah, they have mentioned some root view and everything here. It's the root view is passed as a content view, and this content view is really, we have the content view.swift file here, which is actually returning some UI view to display. So SwiftUI is all about returning the UI view instead of creating a storyboard file and everything. So so if you want to change the root view controller or root view of your SwiftUI project, then you just need to change it here. There are other files lifecycle methods also available here, send it, disconnect, and everything. We will look into it step by step once we will reach there. But for now, this is the basic step. And if you want to launch the simulator to live editing the code, then you just need to click the resume and it will start loading here, and it will display very basic thing like hello world in between of the screen. It's taking a lot of time because first time it will take a little bit more time, but then after it will load very quickly. So this is all about a new Swift UI project. We just need to create a different view to load inside the project, and that's how it will work. So for now, I think we will stop here, and then in the next video, I will start building the actual UI, and I will explain that which type of different controls are included in Swift UI to build the real application. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.